with the first ever NBA Finals in the city of San Francisco.
Curry gets a look, fires, and that's another one!
He's hotter than fish grease!
21 points in the first quarter, 6 of 7 beyond the arc. Number 30 is back in the finals.
Goes around the world.
Behind the back on Brown, underhand scoop, good!
And the biggest lead of the ballgame now for the Warriors. Oh, Williams caught a body underneath. And here comes Boston. Brown. Man, he's cooking. Jaylen Brown with 22 in the ballgame. It is raining three-pointers at Chase. Wild comeback here. Horford to the lead. Boston up by 3. Al Horford in his first NBA Finals. The Celtics take Game 1 of the 2022 NBA Finals.